everyone. I'm going to be presenting my trip to Paris. I went in October of 2019. I went with my parents, and then later on we ended up meeting my sister and her boyfriend in Germany. So there's a picture of me and my parents. The first stop was Disneyland Paris. I'm really into Disneyland, and one of the must-see things on my list was to go to Disneyland Paris. It was amazing. As you can see here, the castle looks a little bit different than the Disneyland in California. So here is a picture of the castle. The next stop we did was shopping. That was the next day. I just have a picture of the Louis Vuitton store and then some meringues on the other photo. The next day, we did a walking tour of Paris. My mom scheduled a tour guide, and he took us to the Louvre. He took us to a couple other little cities in Paris, and it was just a really nice day. We got to see a lot. There was a lot of walking, and then we did drive a little bit outside of Paris to see different cities. So as you can see, we had a tour of the Eiffel Tower. Here's a picture of one of the art pieces at the Louvre. And then this was the view that I had when we went to the top of the Eiffel Tower. And then just a picture of a crepe. It was actually amazing. And then here's a picture of Notre Dame. We couldn't go in it because it had burned down a couple months before we went, and as you can see here, they were starting to rebuild part of the section. They did have it roped off. You couldn't even, this was the closest that you can get to see it. And then that was it for Paris. And then now we were going to be going off to Berlin, Germany. My trip consisted of going to France, where we went to Paris, then we went to Germany, we did Berlin, we did Munich, and then we met my sister and her boyfriend in Munich, and then from Munich we went to Amsterdam. So I hope you enjoyed my little presentation. I look forward to watching everybody else's.